Hello, hello, hello. So I am trying to set up GitHub Copilot. Let's see what I can do. So we have an option here, open Copilot, and you can see that we have up to 50 chats to run code and yada 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 more things. And then I want to use it in my VS Code. That's my objective. Let me get my VS Code window here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move some screens outside. So I want to use VS Code Desktop 3 so that I can move around and you can still see this. I hopefully we'll find out when the video is done. So I want to install in VS Code. So I have GitHub Copilot and I can do a lot of things with Copilot. I can do chat. I can do other things. I can also use in the terminal, which is going to be very convenient. So let's see. I'll look at these documents later and can probably explain more as I'm trying to do them. But how do I set up? Oh, I can install here. Okay, I'm allowing it to open VS Code. It opens the extension GitHub Copilot, which I could have gone here in extensions and searched for it and got the same thing, or at least a version which I need. Yeah, it says this is the verified version. So that's also one way to do it. Now I'm going to install it. Installing. Let's see how long it takes. Sign up with GitHub. I can definitely do that. So let's sign in. Allow. Please go ahead. Continue. I'm giving you my data. Oh my goodness, you'll have all my data. Authorizing. So let's go back here. So it's asking me if I can generate AI powered suggestions, which is okay. Trade in the flow. You are in control. Okay, you're ready. Okay, let's just do a test file if I want to test something. And where is my Copilot? I do want to install Python extension. It's always helpful to have the recommendations for a Python file. So let's see how it looks. Okay, write a small script to make a for loop test number is prime. This is a very weird request which I have made. Uh, there you go. I'll accept this. Now just try. Am I right, please? What? Which? What is happening? Oh, let me take this away. I don't want to open it here. I want to open in this workspace. So you go down, it allows you to open in the particular area with the exact thing you want. So yeah, okay, great. Now I have everything. Now here, if I want to just create a new file and call it test.py, and let's see, Control I, write a simple for check if the number is prime. And I'm here, and I'll accept this code, and let's test it. Python test.py. It doesn't like Python. We'll do Python 3. 29 is the prime number. Take the input from the user. Perfect. That's going to be better. So let's try that. 130. Oh, 134. So at least it works. Let's see. 137 is the prime number. Excellent. Is it a prime number? 137. Well, I'll have to depend on it. So in that case, 139 should not be a prime number. 139 is also a prime number? Wait, is it working? Good. Okay, so it is working. Okay, so that's a very simple way to just get everything ready and have our first example of a copilot. I'm gonna stop here.